Hi everyone, welcome to my place. Christmas is nearly here and I don't know whether we're going to be able to have friends and family to gather around, and I know that I'm going to be upset along the way somewhere, but I cannot not have a door wreath at my door come this Christmas. I want to show you how easy it is to put something together, and it might only be visual joy for you, but I always think that the Christmas wreath on the door makes the place look like hello, welcome, we love you, or it just sings whatever the spirit is that's happening of the season. Now I've got one of these pre-made wreaths here. Fabulous things. If you don't have one of these, you could make one. There's lots of tutorials that I've done showing you how to put these together. Seriously, super simple. I'm going to incorporate, these are from Prestige Botanicals, part of the range of I'd like to say the range of winter flowers. I absolutely love and adore these giant magnolias, and they're going to be perfect as my focal. I've got 3 of those. I've also got some roses. I've got a few berries, and I've got some cones. I'm keeping it simple. The first thing to go in is going to be the magnolias. Now I would like to cut these, but as I continuously tell you, once you cut, you can never go back. So be very mindful about what you do. With a wreath, what's so great about these is that these stems can be bent and manipulated, and this is going to just be a little bit fiddly for a minute, but let me show you what you can do. Just get a wire and then just take the wire around and underneath the wreath and then bring it up to the top and just twist that off to just hold it in place. You can have a fiddle around at the end and then go to the other end where the other end is here. I love this kind of designing. It's so easy. And I'm just going in and amongst all the foliage here, and I just want to just tie that off, like just wind that wire around and cut that extra bit off. So now so see what I've done here, I've just twisted it around. You could put another one there if you needed. If you wanted to make light work of it, just get cable ties and just cable tie them on. I don't know why I didn't think of that until now, but never mind. Okay, so I've got one there, and now I need to repeat with another one on the other side, and I'm just going to push that down through that other stem and take that in as close as you can. Repeat with your wire. I wish I had got cable ties now, because it would have been a much quicker exercise, but we can spend some time together. Is there any rush? You can't go anywhere, so doing a little bit of craft work is quite a good thing, I think. And I'm just going to bring that around and over to there, and then just get my wire in and under and just give that a little twist, except I've lost the wire, honestly. It's like lambing a sheep with its lambs. Okay, now with this one, I just want to put that one into the middle there. So I'll go from this side and then I'll go this way. Just go this way, and then I'm bending that up like so, and then getting another piece of wire. It's a very fiddly job. In fact, it would be quite nice to be doing this with a friend, and you could be doing them together. And then that can just go around. Got it. And then bend and manipulate that to whichever way you want it to be. Lovely. Let me show you what we've got so far. Look at that. Beautiful, big, red, bright, lovely blooms at the base of the wreath. The next thing I want to incorporate into here is some roses, and these can just be poked into there. I've got 2 of those cupped roses there, and I'll bring the other one up and over to this side here. So I've got the focal is here, and the roses are going on either side. I've got 2 of these lovely roses, which I'll put in one into there, and I'll fix them all at the end. I just want to quickly show you how easy it is to put a wreath together. That can go to there. So I've got the big ones, and then I'm just graduating in form. I've been a bit rough with that, and it's looking a bit squashed, but that's okay. Now, to keep it really simple, I've just got some cones here. I picked these up from Michael's when I was in the States last year, which are just perfect. You might have cones outside, and it's just a matter of wiring your cones and then putting them into a little pick form like I've done here. So I've got one on that side, bring one into there, I've got another one which I'll just bring up and over and into there, and then that one can go over to there. Oh, it's beginning to look like Christmas here at my place. That can go into there down the bottom. And then look, I've just got these little red berries, green berries. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put those down and into there like so, and bring the other one over to the other side. Oops, bit rough here. Oh no, I might just actually take that down into there so that I've got some up and some down. Let me show you what I've achieved. All I now have to do is to just fix those into place, put it onto my door, and Christmas is done. I hope the Christmas is good at your place. And the other thing I need to share before I go is, if you go to Prestige Botanicals where I've got all of these flowers, I've negotiated us a deal, and if you put Astar 15, you'll get 15% off your blooms. Merry Christmas and take care.